Hello everyone, welcome. Today I am running my 10K that I have been training for 4 months. I have never ran 6 miles in one run. I've only ran 3. So this is a big day for me. I'm nervous, I'm excited. I have had problems with my knees in the last couple months, and on the advice of my friends Joe and Shelley, DVC Runner and Shelley Kathleen on Instagram, I went to the running store down in Disney Springs. I got fitted for a perfect fit for my feet, and I am very optimistic about my new Hokas. And I have an inspiration to run today, not just for me anymore. This isn't just a thing I'm doing for myself to push past my limits and try to do something I've never done before, but also for my friend Pete McDevitt. My friend Pete McDevitt is going through some health problems right now, and I am dedicating my run to Pete today, and I'm gonna finish in his honor. And if you want to help out, support him and his family, I will link in the description down below all the different fundraisers that are going on for my dear friend. So Pete, this one's for you, and I hope you guys have fun coming along on my first ever 10K, 6 miles, with all my friends here on Disney property. It is a virtual Princess Marathon, but we are running on Disney property, but not as an actual Run Disney. So yeah, come along, let's run together and have fun. And I'm sure there'll be plenty of tears along the way and lots of sweat. Let's do this.
I'm short, so I get lost.
Here.
Can we just all take off like we're from the ruffians?
Yeah, did you guys all get your swords?
There's swords! Does anybody want swords?
Yes. I guess I should.
It's a heavy commitment.
Okay, we're on.
Yay! Mile marker 1. Here we go. All right, guys, we made it. 3.1. We're halfway there. Being halfway, I know I can do this. I got this. Everything feels pretty good. The shoes are amazing. And just my hips hurt a little bit. Not really sure why, probably just from running. But I feel really great. And we got this. We're gonna finish this. Doing it for you, Pete. Oh yeah, also honing in on the princess magic here. Thanks to Allie for my tattoos. Also, a side note, does anyone know what this hotel is gonna be? Because I have no idea. How do I not know what this is? I'm out of the loop. I don't even understand. I'm sure by the time this comes out, I'll know. I'll do some research. One thing that just popped into my mind as we come up on mile marker 4 is that every step I take from here forward is the furthest I've ever ran. And that feels pretty good. We got this. Thanks, Elsa! They're hurting really bad.
Almost there.
I know.
I'm sure those new shoes are helping a little bit, right?
So much.
Yeah.
I've never ran this far before. Last mile. Home stretch. My knees are pretty grabby right now, but we're almost there. 6 miles. Almost there. My left knee hurts bad. obviously we're back at the hotel now, but I just, in the moment, I couldn't get my emotions together to really say anything. But I'm still not even really there yet. Like, I have so many thoughts and feelings and emotions going on that it's hard to put into words, and I'm worried that I'm going to forget to mention somebody that has been such an impact in this journey that I've been on to run this race. Oh my God, I'm gonna get emotional again. I can't stop crying. It's like I'm so happy, and all of the messages flooding in from my friends that have been supporting me along this whole process, the whole journey, my friends that were running by my side during this whole thing, and just giving me the push that I've always needed every step of the way. So many of you, and I'm going to miss someone, and I'm sorry. I'll put it in the description. I know that I can't mention everyone, but the first person I want to say a huge thank you to is Jenny, JLB Nerdy. She is the whole reason I signed up for this race. I saw on her Instagram that she signed up for it. We both love Rapunzel, and she's the whole reason I signed up. And then ever since after that, she has been my biggest supporter, always had my back, always cheering me on, and it means the world to me. My friends Noelle and Samantha were also running the virtual 10K, and a huge shout out, Noelle, thank you so much. Thank you for, again, always supporting me, always being there, and just giving me the push and saying the right words when I needed to hear them. It means so much to me. This is gonna just end up, I feel like I'm just giving a speech right now, but I just want to let some of you guys know that had a really huge impact in my running, and I've messaged a bunch of you guys throughout this process. Triple P, Josh, for telling me what I needed to hear, exactly when I needed to hear it, not knowing that how badly I needed to hear those words. The encouraging words of there is no plan B. So it's not if I'm going to finish, it's that there is no other option. And that really was super impactful. I can't really describe to you. I still can't describe to you how much it means to me that you and Britt support me so much. I appreciate you guys. P McDevitt, last night on your live stream, just crying, walking through Disney Springs. You're so inspiring. You're an amazing human, and everything that you're going through, and to show all the support and love to the community around you. You're an amazing human, and thank you so much. We did it. We finished. Against all odds, I can't believe it, but love you, Pete. And Joe and Shelley, DVC Runner, and Shelley Kathleen on Instagram. You guys are so awesome, and I can't wait. I need to go get in the shower because I need to go meet you guys for a drink. We're gonna have a great time at Magic Kingdom and Epcot tonight, celebrating. You guys cheering me on, always checking in on me while I was running. It meant a lot to me. It was really, really amazing. And all of your support and your tips, the shoes, you guys, that was game changer. I really don't know if I could have finished if I hadn't gotten new shoes last night, because absolute game changer. My body is like a different body because of those shoes. So thank you a million times. I am a sponge, just soaking in all of your runner advice and knowledge, and I want to hear it all, everything, please. So thank you guys so much. I look forward to running with you guys again and hanging out with you guys in a few minutes, in an hour at the parks. And everyone else that I met along the way that is part of this amazing running crew that Joe and Shelley introduced me into. You guys are so awesome. I can't even begin to start naming off names because, for one, I'm still learning all of your names, and I don't want to start naming names and then miss one or two people, but you guys were amazing, and the chats that we had while we were on the run and your advice and support and checking in on me and making sure I was doing okay and cheering with me, for me, I cannot begin to describe to you how much that means to me. So thank you guys so much. And before this thanks speech gets much longer, I think we're already at 6 minutes and no one's probably even still watching. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. This was incredible, and this is gonna become a tradition for me, I think. And next year for the Princess races, I'm gonna do all of them. I'm gonna do the 5K, 10K, and the half marathon challenge. And I think a year is ample time to get me to really get in shape and take it full head on straight into it. So that'll be a 5K, so it's 3 miles, 6 miles, and then 13 miles. And yeah, I think that it's gonna be awesome. So I'm really excited for the journey ahead and taking you guys along with me. So I appreciate it. Thank you for coming along today on this. This is like a monumental day I'll never forget, and it's just gonna get better. So I hope that you are all well, happy, and healthy. Do what makes you happy. And remember, every day is a countdown to Disney. Love you.